Hi everyone, Mike Loser here for the new ND filter from NEEWER. It's magnetic. 1 second. Hup, hup. I can do this all day.
Yeah, I know.
That's the first product NEEWER sent me for free, so that's the best. Alright. Yeah, that's the ND filter. Maybe not the best, but in this category, in this price range, that's a pretty good one. So first of all, thank you NEEWER for sending me this product for free. So they didn't pay me to make this video. This is my personal opinion, not paid, I'm not sponsored. That's what I think about it, and it's very great, of course, because I make this video. If it wasn't great, I will not make a video. I will not waste my time. So that's a pretty good one. First, this is magnetic. That's very quick and easy and good quality. ND2-32. The first down for me, it's only 5 stops. It's not enough when it's very sunny outside. I wish they had the 1 to 10 stops, or at least the 5 to 10 stops too. It's not available, so I don't know if it's going to happen. Maybe you don't need to have the 5 to 10 stops if you want to just film and next take a photo, and you don't need to have the ND filter. That's a great product for that. That's a game changer, especially if you are on set when the time is important, when you have to screw and unscrew every time. That's a little pain. So first you have to put the magnetic adapter, but you put it once and it's done, and you don't have to unscrew it every time, so that's why it's great. I choose 77 because my largest lens it's 77, so that's why I can adapt. That's why I already bought a long time ago the adapters rings. The cache from the lens is 67, so it doesn't fit anymore. So NEEWER, take metal too, and boom. Very great. You can take it off, put the ND filter, take off the ND filter, put the lens cap to put it in your bag, and you're ready to go. And what's great about this lens cap, it's magnetic of course, but you can also screw it if you want to screw it to make sure it's tight. But if you are in the rush and you just want to cover the lens, boom, alright. But the down of the lens cap, it's you have to buy it separately. That's a little down because you have to pay an extra, you know. Also be careful because the size of the lens cap will not fit the front of the ND filter. If you choose a 77mm ND filter, it's the rear, but the front it's not 77 anymore, it's larger, so it can't fit. So you have to choose if you want the lens cap for the adapter ring to protect it when you don't have the ND filter, or a larger lens cap for the ND filter. You have to think about it before buying it. It's not perfect, you know, but for the more important, the image quality, that's a great ND filter, and that's why I make this video, because if the quality was not there, I will not waste my time, you know. Why I show you the Sigma 100 to 400 on the Blackmagic, it's because my older ND filter was lower quality. but with the 18-35 that is filming me, it was okay. Of course, the color was shifting a little bit towards the green side, so it was obvious. I could see a really big difference because it was the cheapest that I could find, but this one, no. It works, and also you could see with the Tokina 11-16. Donc voilà, petit test avec et sans. Waouh! Clac clac, en un instant. Alright. Voilà, exposé pour le visage. Et là du coup, si j'enlève le filtre ND, on est obligé de passer à 7, 9. Pour avoir à peu près la même exposition, voilà, il faut passer à F9. Il y a moins de tonnet, il y a moins de bokeh, il y a moins de séparation, même à F10. Donc petit test sans le filtre ND, pas terrible. Hop là, F2.8, c'est un petit peu mieux quand même. Alright. When you put it or when you take it off, the quality stays the same. It was not shifting a lot, at least with my eyes. I didn't make a scientific test. I didn't see a huge difference. Là c'est avec le petit filtre ND NEEWER. On peut filmer par exemple une branche. Là je suis à F4, F4.5. Maintenant si on enlève le filtre, voilà, donc je vais devoir être à F9 et on voit que l'arrière-plan il est beaucoup moins flou et donc on voit un peu plus d'arrière-plan. On voit la différence. Autre petit point négatif avec le filtre ND de chez NEEWER, donc magnétique, c'est qu'on ne peut pas mettre la matte box de chez Tilta. Parce que comme c'est beaucoup plus large devant, bah voilà, ça passe pas. Avec la matte box de chez Small Rig, là ça passe. Mais avec celle de chez Tilta, on peut pas. Petit bémol, mais bon. En tout cas, voilà, très pratique pour pouvoir l'utiliser comme ça, avec le 100-400 surtout, pour avoir ses plans plus proches et de bonne qualité surtout. It comes in this little case, that's nice. If you don't need the ND filter, you can put it in your pocket or in your bag like this to protect it. With the foam, it stays in place. That's a very great case. So great price, great quality, and quick and easy. Alright. So once again, thank you NEEWER, and I hope for the 5 to 10 stop or the 1 to 10 stop, that will be awesome. I hope you enjoyed this little video, very quick and easy to like the ND filter. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to enjoy. Take 77, 77. All right.